the shape of our bag, and now we are going to take a slip stitch and we are going to end it with the help of this small crochet needle. We are fixing the thread properly.
Okay,
so this is the shape, and now we are going to make a sunflower top in this way. For making the sunflower, we are using these two color wools, light brown and yellow, and these are 4-ply wools. And first, the skin wool that we have used for our bag was also 4-ply.
And
the brown color we are going to use for making the center portion of our sunflower. Using the 3 crochet,
okay,
the full tutorial will be present on our channel. See the full tutorial on our channel.
First we will make one chain and 2 chain, okay, and then half double crochet, 15 half double crochets first step. Okay, in the first step we will make 15 half double crochets, include this chain, 14 half double crochets and 1 2 chain first,
the starting 1 chain.
Yes, first 2 chains and then half double crochets, 14 half double crochets and 1 chain, 15 lines, 15 steps. Okay, 1 2, okay, 1 2 chain and then 1 half double crochet. We will make 14 half double crochets. Okay, total 15 lines. 2,
like this. In the magic ring we will make
3
half double crochets, 14 half, and including the first chain they will be 15. Now we have made the 15 stitches, 14 half double crochet and the 15th one the starting line of chains, and now we are going to end our magic circle by taking a slip stitch.
Now first step is complete and second step,
first step of magic circle going to be complete,
and then again 2 chains, okay, and half double crochet in 2 half double crochets in every stitch. Okay,
in the first line we have made 1 half double crochet, and now in the second step we are making 2 half double crochets in every stitch.
Okay, and first 15, first step is 15 and second step 30 double
half double crochets.
Yes, okay,
like this we are making 2 half double crochets in every stitch.
we will make 30 half double crochets in this step.
Now we are completing the second step by taking a slip stitch. Now the third step we will tell you.
And 2 chain, okay, 2 chain, and then half double crochet in first stitch and 2 half double crochets in second. Okay, first we make 1 and second double increase. You see, first 1 and second 2.
Okay, first we have made the 2 chains, and then in the first stitch we have made 1 half double crochet, and in the second one we have increased by making 2 half double crochets. And now we will repeat the same ratio: 1 stitch half 1 half double crochet, and the second one 2 half double crochets.
Okay,
now we have made 45 half double crochets in the third line. Now we are going to tell you how to make the fourth step. We have completed the third one by taking a slip stitch,
and then 2 chains and repeat half double crochet
in every stitch.
But this line we will make half double crochet in every stitch, 1 half double crochet in every stitch. Okay, first line we will make 15 half double crochets, then second step 30 half double crochets, and 30 is after 45 half double crochets, and now we will make 45 again half double crochets
in the fourth line.
Okay, last 2 lines 45 and 45. This is the last line.
Like this, in every stitch we will make 1 half double crochet.
Okay,
half double crochets we are making
in every stitch, 1 half double crochet.
For making the sunflower, we are using this yellow color. Our magic ring is complete.
Okay, petal, we will make the petal of sunflower, and we will make 7 chains. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 7. Okay,
For complete tutorial of the sunflower, watch the full video on our channel.
now after making 7 chains, we will make skip 1 chain. Okay, and then simple crochet. Okay, simple crochet in every chain in every stitch. Okay, 1, 2, okay, 3,
Okay, we are making the simple crochet in every stitch. First we have skipped the one stitch, and now in all the other stitches we are making a simple crochet.
okay. Okay, okay, total 6 simple crochets, and then this stitch is skip. Okay, and the next we will make simple crochet. Okay, and then 2 more simple crochets, simple crochet. Okay, 1, 2, and total 3 simple crochet. Okay, and repeat 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And repeat 1 skip. Okay,
The same pattern we will now repeat.
Next we make simple
Crochets in every stitch.
6 simple crochets, and repeat this pattern. Okay, the whole
Boundary of the
boundary
sunflower.
of the magic circle, the whole boundary we will make this first step and then second step. Is completed, and then we will start the petal again.
Now we are going to make the petal complete.
Okay, first simple stitch, then half double crochet. Okay, simple stitch and half double crochet, then double crochet, okay, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in same place. Okay,
We are making 2 double crochets, and the 2 double crochets are in the same stitch.
okay, and next repeat 2 double crochets at the same next place.
In the same stitch, one stitch 2 double crochets, means we have made first 2 double crochets in one stitch, and in the next stitch we have also made 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Total 4 double crochets.
First simple, then half double and 4 double crochets, and repeat 1 half double crochet. Okay, repeat half double crochet and simple stitch. Okay, and 2 chain and 1 slip stitch. Okay,
We have taken a slip stitch so that the end of our sunflower, the top, will be pointed shape.
and 1 simple crochet. Okay, and 1 half double crochet. Okay, 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochets
In the same stitch, means that we
One.
are repeating the same pattern but in the
And
reverse
2.
direction.
Okay, 1
You can also
And
use this
2.
sunflower for other purposes, on different kinds of bags, on different kind of pins in small shapes, sizes.
half double crochet and simple crochet. Okay,
Like this, mashallah, one petal is complete. Now we will make all the other petals of our sunflower with the same pattern.
we will make slip stitch. Okay, and next one more slip stitch. Okay, and one more slip stitch. 1 2 3 slip stitch, and then start the next petal. Repeat first simple crochet. Okay, and then half double crochet.
So now our sunflower is complete and we are going to attach it on our bag like this. We will use a needle and thread to attach it.
Okay,